Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how to turn off OneDrive completely on your Windows and stop syncing and remove the OneDrive. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, what we can do is we can go over and go to the option of your settings. So head over to Windows plus I and go to your settings, and you can look out for the option of accounts and go ahead and click on it. And when you go ahead and click on account here, you will be finding your OneDrive and different other files option. So what you can do is you can remove your account from here. You can look out for your OneDrive. And once you find it up, you can just go over and unlink it. You can just go over and turn this option off right here, Microsoft OneDrive, where you can look out for your profile and remove it. Look out for your info, and then you can remove up your account. You can select this option of accounts management account and remove your account from here and remove your account from there, or you can select this option of stop signing in all to the Microsoft apps automatically. That will also do so. Apart from that, what we can do is we can go over and go to our control panel to install the OneDrive. So you can close this up and you can go to your control panel. Go ahead and search for control panel and open it up. And once you go to your control panel, you can go over to the programs option here. And under here, you can look out for OneDrive. And once you find OneDrive here, you can just go over and right click on it and select the option of install. And once you install it, this one right here, Microsoft OneDrive, you can click on it and click on install and confirm it up. That will sign you out and stop all of the syncing completely. And that is it. That is how you do it. And that's how you can successfully stop OneDrive from syncing your folders. If not this as well, what you can do is you can go over and uninstall OneDrive from your Windows by pressing Windows plus R. And there, under this, you can just go over and type in appwiz.cpl and hit enter, and that will open up your control panel directly. From here also, you can look out for Microsoft OneDrive and right click on it and install it and complete it up. And there you go. Now you have successfully disabled the OneDrive and stopped all the syncing from your PC. So if this video helped, do not forget to like the video and drop also comment and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.